Amanda, creator of Once Loved Apparel, and today I'm going to show you some items that I found in my own personal closet to resell online, specifically on Poshmark. The reason why I felt compelled to make this video today is because I believe there's a common misconception that you have to have a lot of money to start reselling online or to sell on Poshmark or Mercari and some of these other platforms, and that's just not the case. So all of these items, these two bags I have here, I actually completely found in my own personal closet. Some of these items are items that I purchased myself. Some of these items were given to me and I never got around to wearing them, or I wore them and I'm tired of them. Other items I thrifted, wore for a little bit, and I'm ready to get rid of. So just to give you an idea, I'll show you a few of the things I found, and then if you have any other questions, you can leave a comment down below, as well as you can check out my Poshmark closet to see some of these items as well. But just to give you an idea and to show you that you can actually find items in your own personal closet to sell online, I'll show you some of the things I found. So the first thing I want to show you are these blue shoes. I don't even know the brand, to be honest. The brand is worn off, and that's perfectly fine. They're still cute. They'll still be able to sell. These are size 9, and you can tell the bottoms are dirty. This is not to say you shouldn't try your best to make sure your items are clean and nice looking and gently used on Poshmark. You should definitely do that, but if stuff's a little worn, but maybe it's a good brand or a cute style, you can still try and sell it and see what happens. I just always disclose if there's any issues with the item, or if there's marks, stains, or dirt. Usually I won't list something that has a lot of stains or holes or anything like that, but I will disclose these minor flaws if I'm still able to list the item on Poshmark. So yeah, I actually bought these shoes from another seller on Poshmark. Thought they were super cute, but once I got them, I wore them once. I realized they were hard to match with outfits, and they hurt my feet to wear. So I'm just kind of ready to give these up. So I'll definitely list these on Poshmark. For shoes like this, maybe, and they are worn and pre-loved, as I like to say, I would probably list these for around $20, $25, and that's around what I paid for them too. Some people might think, oh, you should list it cheaper since you paid that price and you've had the chance to wear them and everything. But believe it or not, stuff does sell. So if it's going to sell, then I'm going to list it at a price where I can make money off of it. But with these, I'd just be happy to at least get a portion of my money back. So that's really what I'm aiming for with these. So there's these, and you can see them a little closer up. All right. Next, I have these heels. And honestly, these don't even, yeah, they look a little worn, but not very bad at all. The soles look pretty good, to be honest. These are size 8 wide. I probably bought these just because I thought they were cute, and I believe I actually bought these from Plato's Closet, if I can remember correctly, forever ago. I've had these for years. I'm a clothes hoarder, a shoes hoarder. I save everything. I buy things and I don't wear them, and I just think I'm going to get around to it. I never got around to wearing these, so it's time to get rid of them. As far as the brand goes, they're City Classified Comfort. I don't even know where that brand is from. I haven't ever heard of it before. So to price these, I'll probably price them for $15 or less. But they're in pretty good condition, and I would just list some of the minor things like the dirt inside and things like that. All right, let's see here. Let's do this skirt. So I remember buying this skirt actually. Let's see if you can see it a little bit better. I love the pattern on it. If you can see that. It's super cute, a floral skirt, black, with orange, yellow, and white little flowers. It's about mid-length. Now, I bought this, and let's see what size this is too, actually. Size 12, Liz Claiborne career brand. Now, Liz Claiborne is kind of like a bread and butter item for me, meaning that, yeah, I can sell it, but I won't make very much off of it because Liz Claiborne isn't it's kind of more of a low-end brand, like a department store brand. And this skirt, sorry, I actually got from JCPenney's a while back. I had like a coupon at JCPenney's, and so I think I paid like $10 for this, if even that. And I'm not a skirt person. I buy skirts, I think they're cute, and then again, I don't get around to wearing them. So I never wore this. I don't even think I wore it once, but because the tags are off, I'll probably either list it new without tags, or I'll list it as pre-loved anyways, but it's in excellent condition. And this I would probably list for like, probably no more than like $12 to $15, if even that. But you see, even with all of these items that we're talking about so far, even if you're listing every item in your closet for like $10, you make a $7, after Poshmark takes their, whether it's $3 or their 20%, depending on the price of the item, you're still making a good bit of money. So if I listed this for $10, I would get $7. If I listed this for $12, I'd get $9. If I listed this for $15, I'd get $12. And then anything up from that is 20%. So, I mean, that's still a good bit of money for items that I would just donate to Goodwill or like give to somebody else. So I think it's pretty cool that you can sell them online and at least make something. All right, we'll go over a few more items just to show you. These boots, I've worn these and honestly I'm just kind of tired of them. I've had these for like probably a couple years now. I think I got them from like Rue 21 or somewhere forever ago. And I just don't really like the style anymore. It's not really something I would wear. They're size 10 and they even like fold down like this. You can fold them down like that and wear them like that. They zip in the back. But I just don't really like the style anymore. So something like this I'll probably list for like $15, $16 maybe. And just see if they sell. And with a lot of the items that I'm not like purchasing to resell, for instance these items, I'm just selling them straight from my closet. I'm willing to like take lower offers or lower the prices just to get rid of them. Like even if I'm making $1 or $2 off of the item, to me it's still better because I'm at least making something. So I like to kind of consider all offers and just keep my options open when I'm selling some of my own personal clothing items. All right, we'll do one more clothing item. Let's see here. All right, so these I actually remember, sorry, they're all like undone and everything. I could have zipped them up, but anyways, these are some Loft. I don't know how much of this you can actually see, but these are some Loft jeans, and they have like the patches on them and everything. I honestly thought these were super cute, and I wanted to keep them, but I kind of outgrew them. They're size 10, modern skinny ankle. I kind of outgrew them. They're a little tight on me, so I'm tired of trying to squeeze into them, so I'd rather just get rid of them. But they're super cute. I actually did buy these at Loft, and I've worn them a lot, so I'll list them as pre-loved, but there's no obvious flaws with them, so with these I might list for like $15. So it's just important to consider like items in your own personal closet that you can actually resell, even if you think somebody's not going to want that, or it's not your style anymore. Well, it may be somebody else's style, or well, maybe that's an item that somebody else is looking for. So I would at least give it a chance. It doesn't take much. It's not too hard to just list those items on Poshmark and to see what happens. So I would encourage you to do that. If you have any questions about anything or would like to see more of the items that I found in my personal closet to resell, feel free to leave me a comment down below. And as always, thank you for watching.